Hello and welcome to Online Appliance Tech. Today we're working on a French door KitchenAid refrigerator where the lights are not working in the main fresh food department. So if you have this problem, it's pretty simple repair. So what we're going to do in this video is replace the bottom freezer LED light. This light is the main source of your problem. The light is located right up under this drawer. So let's go ahead and unplug the unit and replace the LED light. First thing you want to do is remove the front lower door. You will remove the two 1/4 bit screws. There's one on the left and one on the right. Once these two screws are removed, you just lift up on the door and pull it straight out. I recommend just put it against the wall somewhere safe where it won't slide. And then you have two door stoppers that have to be removed. You can take a flathead and just kind of wedge at the bottom and pry upwards and out. And actually kind of pull on it as you pry, that way it pulls out. So you have one on the left and one on the right. Okay, so once you remove the two door stoppers, you'll just remove the upper drawer. And then press the lower bottom drawer back in. This way we can get to the LED. As you can see, this light was already tried, or it was attempted to be replaced, so it's a little loose already. But it's pretty easy. Just get a flathead or a butter knife and press in and pry downwards, I guess you would say. And just take your time. So press in and pry downwards. And just kind of work your way around it. So on this light, if you look at the new one, you'll see that there's two clips. The one in the front, the one in the back. And those are the ones you press in to pry out, as you can see it there. And gently just pull the rest of the coax out to disconnect the harness. Okay, so this is the LED light that you will need. I will put this in the description below if you'd like to order. So pretty simple, just disconnect the harness and then connect the new one. Okay, so once connected, you'll just press this back into the refrigerator housing. If you can, try to slide that black harness, I guess you would call it, back into the fridge. If you can't, just press it in as you see in the video. So I like to start at the back angle first and then press the front end. And just take your time and everything should work out. What I like to do is kind of press on all four corners until it really clicks into place. Okay, so now since we have the light installed, we're going to reconnect everything from the front. So we're going to slide in the drawer first. And now we're going to put our 2 door stoppers back in. You just slide them back into place, one on your left, one on your right, and they just slide right back in and click into place. So now you'll slide the bottom drawer out, and then you'll get your front door. Okay, on this front door you should have left the 2 1/4 bit screws on the door and just loosen enough to remove from the front, but at least you'll see. So you should have left them like that. That way you can just basically just pop the door back on without doing what I'm doing in this video, screwing it back to the door. Okay, so you just place the 1/4 bit screws on the hinge. You have to lift the door up. It has 2 little, I don't know exactly what you call them, hinges that has to be lifted up and slide into the lower frame of the door. You can see. So it has like 2 little knobs that stick out the bottom that has to connect to the bottom frame of the door. And once lined up correctly, just screw your top 2 1/4 bits to the front door. Okay, let's plug back in the unit. And then we should have some working LED lights in the fresh food section. This is a common problem with the KitchenAid French door refrigerators, so if you have this issue, I'm pretty sure this will solve your problem. I hope this video was helpful, and please like and subscribe for more future tips and videos. Thank you.